First, we turn off the power. Then we remove the lid and set it aside. Then hold the front panel and lift it up. After hearing a caw sound, flip it outward. Start the machine and roll it to expose the joints. Then turn the power off. Use pliers to pull out the belt wrapping pins. Then take off the belt wrap and set it aside. Take out the new belt wrap. Spread out the new belt wrap. It is equipped with a belt wrapping pin inside. This is the head of the belt wrap. This is the tail end of the belt wrap. Then insert the tail end of the belt wrap from top to bottom. Next, align the chain edges at the connection point. Insert the belt wrapping pin. The length left on both sides of the belt wrapping pin should be equal. Then just cover the baffles. The replacement of the belt wrap at the back follows the same steps. After replacing the belt wrap, you can put the lid on.